What is happening, YouTube? It's your boy TechTricks back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to downgrade from tvOS 13 to tvOS 12. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And recently I made a video of how to install tvOS 13 without a developer's account. And today I'm going to show you how to downgrade now from tvOS 13. What you want to do is go to the back of your Apple TV and look at the USB-C slot. What you want to do next is plug it into a computer through the USB-C behind the Apple TV. You will need a USB-C to USB-A cable. Now open up iTunes and you should be able to see the Apple TV on the top corner. In this case, we're gonna need the IPSW for the Apple TV 4 on iOS 12.3. We're gonna have to download that. I'll link that down in the description below where you can download that. Once you've downloaded that, then you're just gonna press Option and Restore. And then you're gonna select the Apple TV, right, IPSW. Press Restore, and this should start restoring your Apple TV. And there you go. Now we have restored our Apple TV to our tvOS 12. Now you should be able to have the stable version of this Apple TV. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to help you on your Apple TV needs. If I was able to help you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come. Check out my merch at 1130.ca. And I hope you guys have a good day. Stay grateful. Peace.